4. List 3 tasks a registry clerk performs on receipt of Bring Up BU request. Retrieval of the file or document requested. Verification of the requester's authority to access the file or document. Recording the details of the request and its fulfillment. 5. State 4 measures that may be used to control unauthorized access to electronic records. Use of passwords and other access controls. Maintenance of access logs and auditing of access activities. Implementation of data encryption techniques. Regular updating and patching of security software. 6. Identify 2 types of valuable records in a personnel registry that may be kept permanently. Employee service records documenting employment history. Pension records documenting retirement benefits. 7. State 4 benefits of using filing cabinets in public offices for storage of records. Organized storage and easy retrieval of records. Protection of records from damage and deterioration. Efficient use of storage space. Prevention of unauthorized access to records. 8. Highlight 3 pests that may damage records. Rodents such as rats and mice. Insects such as termites and silverfish. Microorganisms such as mold and fungi. 9. List 3 advantages of a questionnaire as a tool in a record survey exercise. Allows for data collection from a large number of respondents. Provides standardized data that is easy to analyze and compare. Facilitates anonymity, encouraging more honest responses. 10. List 3 types of file classification schemes commonly used in public offices. Numerical classification scheme. Alphabetical classification scheme. Subject classification scheme. 11. State 3 reasons for prohibiting smoking in record storage areas. To prevent fires and damage to records. To maintain air quality in the storage environment. To prevent contamination of records from smoke and residue. 12. State 3 advantages of using photocopying as a method of preservation. Creates a duplicate copy of the original document for use and reference. Minimizes handling and wear and tear of the original document. Ensures the longevity of information contained in the document. Section B. Answer any 3 questions. 13a. Describe 6 steps that a registry clerk will follow during appraisal of records. 12 marks. Identifying the records that are due for appraisal. Reviewing the records to understand their content and purpose. Determining the value of the records in terms of administrative, legal, financial, and historical relevance. Consulting with relevant stakeholders or departments on the need to keep or dispose of the records. Making a decision on whether to retain, archive, or dispose of the records based on their value. Documenting and implementing the decision, ensuring that any disposal of records is done in accordance with policy and legislation. B. Highlight 4 ways a registry clerk may use a computer to organize records. 8 marks. Creating a digital filing system with each file being named and categorized appropriately. Making use of database software to store, retrieve, and manage records. Setting up an electronic registry system to monitor and track records movement. Using digitization tools to convert physical documents into electronic formats for better storage and accessibility. 14a. The Ministry of Madaraka has been authorized to destroy all the valueless records. Describe 4 actions a registry clerk may take to facilitate the exercise. Identifying the records that are considered valueless and due for destruction. Sorting and arranging the identified records for efficient disposal. Safely and securely destroying the records through shredding, incineration, etc. Documenting the destruction process and ensuring the disposal is done according to the organization's record retention schedule and policy.